Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to devices setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experience. Today, we're tackling a common issue that many of us encounter: resetting your TP-Link extender. Whether you're experiencing connectivity issues or simply need to troubleshoot, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we guide you through the step-by-step process of resetting your TP-Link extender, ensuring you're back online in no time. But first, let's understand why resetting your TP-Link extender may be necessary. From forgotten settings to troubleshooting network issues, there are several reasons why a reset might be the solution you need. If you're experiencing frequent drops in connection or slow internet speeds, resetting your extender can help refresh its settings and improve performance. If you've made changes to your extender's configuration and can't remember them, a reset will revert it back to its default settings. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of resetting your TP-Link extender. Follow along carefully to ensure a smooth reset experience. To start, find the Reset button on your TP-Link extender. This button is typically located within a small hole. Then, insert a paper clip into the reset hole or press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until the extender's LEDs flash, signaling the start of the reset process. Then release the reset button once the LEDs stop flashing. Your TP-Link extender is now reset to its factory settings. You can now reconnect to the default Wi-Fi network emitted by the TP-Link Wi-Fi repeater and access its setup page via a web browser. Finally, feel free to connect to the TP-Link Wi-Fi extender and, if needed, reposition it to achieve optimal placement. And we'll see you in the next video.